In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Discord server with the Whop platform seamlessly. Whether you're looking to integrate these two services for management or community engagement, follow along to ensure a smooth setup process. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Whop website on your preferred browser. Once you're there, your first step is to locate the profile icon, usually found on the top right corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will lead you to a menu where you'll see various options, but what you want to focus on here is connected accounts. So give that a click. Now, the next step is to click on Discord. This will start the process of linking your Whop account with your Discord profile. You might notice it takes a moment to load, so be patient while the process unfolds. Once it's loaded, you'll see an option to authorize access. It's important here to carefully review any permissions being requested. When you're ready, click Authorize to proceed. This step essentially allows Whop to interact with your Discord account. Now that this part is complete, you need to jump over to Discord to continue the process. Open up your Discord application and navigate to your server by clicking on its icon in the sidebar. With your server open, you'll want to locate Server Settings. Once you're within your server settings, scroll down the menu until you come across Roles. Here comes an important part. Locate the Whopbot in your roles list, which you might find by clicking the three dots next to its name. When clicked, look for the option labeled View Server Mode. This will give you access to additional settings for the bot. After entering View Server Mode, you'll want to click on the Whop bot once more. This time, you are looking for the Add App button. Click that, and you'll be prompted to choose which of your servers you want to integrate with the Whop bot. Select the applicable server from the list that appears. Make sure you're choosing the correct one if you're managing multiple servers. Your final step here is to click Authorize once more. This action will solidify the connection between your Discord server and the Whop platform. Completing these steps should successfully link your Discord server to Whop, allowing you to take advantage of any integrated features they offer. Remember, always double-check any permissions you grant and ensure they're necessary for your intended use. By following each instruction closely, you'll create a seamless integration that enhances your Discord server's functionality. Thanks for watching, and I hope your server management experience becomes even more streamlined with this useful integration.